Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an ancient philosophy that has stood the test of time. If you've ever wanted to make someone miss you deeply, Stoicism might hold the key. Stay tuned to discover how adopting Stoic principles can make you unforgettable. Understanding Stoicism. First, let's understand what Stoicism is. Originating in ancient Greece, Stoicism is a philosophy that teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means to overcome destructive emotions. The goal is to achieve a state of tranquility and emotional resilience. Principle 1. Embrace impermanence. The first principle is embracing impermanence. Stoicism teaches that everything in life is temporary. By accepting this, you learn to appreciate moments and people more deeply. When you value the present, others will feel your genuine presence, making your absence more profound. Principle 2. Cultivate inner strength. Next, cultivate inner strength. Stoicism emphasizes inner resilience over external validation. By building a strong sense of self, you become less dependent on others for your happiness. This confidence and independence make you magnetic, and people will naturally miss your presence. Principle 3. Practice emotional control. Emotional control is a cornerstone of Stoicism. Instead of reacting impulsively, Stoics respond thoughtfully. When you master your emotions, you handle conflicts and challenges gracefully. This poise leaves a lasting impression, and people will miss your calm and rational presence. Principle 4. Live with purpose. Living with purpose is essential. Stoics believe in pursuing meaningful goals and contributing to the greater good. When you have a clear purpose and live authentically, others are inspired by your dedication and passion. Your purposeful life creates a void in their lives when you're not around. Principle 5. Show genuine compassion. Finally, show genuine compassion. Stoicism teaches empathy and understanding towards others. By being truly compassionate, you build deep connections and trust. When people feel understood and valued by you, they'll miss your empathetic presence. Principle 6. Maintain a calm demeanor. The sixth principle is maintaining a calm demeanor. Stoics believe in staying composed regardless of external circumstances. By keeping your cool, you project stability and confidence. People will miss your calming influence when you're not around. Principle 7. Focus on what you can control. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches us to concentrate on our own actions and attitudes rather than external events. By doing so, you become more effective and less stressed. Others will admire and miss your ability to stay focused and productive. Principle 8. Accept and adapt to change. Accepting and adapting to change is crucial. Stoics understand that change is inevitable and choose to adapt gracefully. Your ability to embrace change positively will leave a lasting impression on others, making them miss your adaptable nature. Principle 9. Practice gratefulness. Practice gratefulness. Stoics emphasize appreciating what you have. By regularly expressing gratitude, you foster positive relationships and a content mindset. Your grateful attitude will resonate with others, making them miss your positive outlook. Principle 10. Pursue continuous improvement. Lastly, pursue continuous improvement. Stoicism encourages lifelong learning and self-betterment. By constantly striving to improve, you inspire others and create a sense of progress. Your commitment to growth will make people miss your motivating presence. Conclusion. By adopting these 10 Stoic principles, you can create a powerful and lasting impression on others. Embrace impermanence, cultivate inner strength, practice emotional control, live with purpose, show genuine compassion, maintain a calm demeanor, focus on what you can control, accept and adapt to change, practice gratefulness, and pursue continuous improvement. These timeless strategies will make people miss you deeply and appreciate your presence even more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on Stoicism and personal growth. Thanks for watching.